So it's Friday morning, and I just uploaded my audio for dialogue video part 2, and there's this crazy thing that happened. In the first part, I noticed there was this crazy high frequency happening across the dialogue recording, meaning in the room we were in, there was a frequency above the audible range at like 24,000 hertz that was just kind of constant throughout the interview. So I cut together a little piece of me exploring that, where we bring the actual sound down into the audible range to find out what it is. So now we're in Adobe Audition, and we've been in here before when I talked about mixing voiceovers. Wow, wait a minute, this is interesting. What's going on right here? Whoa. In the room I was recording this dialogue, there is a really, really high frequency happening. What is happening? Here, let's take this. We can't hear that because that's over 20,000 hertz. If I try to listen to it, yeah, I've got nothing. Let's see if we can slow this down. Effects, time and pitch, stretch and pitch. Stretch it, pitch shift, down 36 semitones, apply. Okay, so I just stretched this down 36 semitones. So you can now see this phantom noise that was about 24,000 hertz. So in this little section that I did this to, this is totally unrelated, but I'm just curious here with you. What was at 24,000 hertz here has now been dropped down to like 2,000 hertz. So let's just listen through it to what this sound might sound like when we take it down. Whoa. Hold the door. Okay, that's creepy. There's a really high frequency going on in the room where we recorded this.